Here's a fun little snack you could do at home, and all we're gonna do is take out some crescent dough. We're gonna roll it out, and then we cooked up some broccoli. So we're gonna chop it up, put it in, and put a little cheese on top. Sometimes we do it with the broccoli and cheese. Sometimes we do it, we've done turkey and cheese. That's a good one. Yeah, you like that one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna peel this open. We'll get the dough out. Whoa, and flip it up like that.
How?
Here's my flip. And you wanna do the spoon part?
Yeah.
It's gonna go pop, it's gonna go wow!
Pop.
Pop goes the dough.
It's a really big one. Now sit down.
Okay.
For me to unroll it. I'm gonna put here.
1 and 2. I'm gonna chop up this broccoli, and we just added a little butter to it. Yummy in our tummies.
Did they put it on?
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, why don't you spread the cheese all around on each one of those rectangles for me? And then, oh, that looks really good.
No more cheese.
Do you think we need more?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's grab a little more. Here's more cheese. Here's more cheese. And then we're just gonna sprinkle the cheese, sprinkle the broccoli.
Chop. And then put a little cheese on it.
And then what you're gonna do is just roll these up into little rollers, and they're gonna bake like this for about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. We have it set over at 375. I like to leave the seam on the bottom with a little extra cheese, so then it cooks it up and seals it. We'll leave this one down. Now we'll put it in, and then once they're cooked, we can cut them up into little wheels, little broccoli cheese sushi wheels. Let's put it in.
Mom, you need some syrup to dip on it.
Oh, good idea, good idea. Right. Okay.
I can get the syrup.
Okay.
Put the syrup in my little area.
Yeah, good idea.
Put the syrup in
You know what? Let's clean up while we're waiting for it to cook. How does that sound?
Listen to it.
Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, I heard a beep. And they look so yummy. Okay, let me get them out. They are hot. I'll take them off our sheet pan. Look how yummy they look.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah, we did a good job. And you know what? We'll set them out on this cutting board. It's a lot easier to cut them once they've cooled off a little bit, so the cheese isn't too pulley. And then it makes those really nice circles that we'll put on the plate and then eat. Our little broccoli cheese rolls.
Muffin
Pan.
Muffin pan.
A muffin pan.
Spray. Spray so it runs into that sheet pan.
You know what? That's actually why we use parchment paper. And it helps the food not stick to the pan.
What runs to that?
You know, none yet. But I think cutting them into smaller pieces, it let the hot air out. You see how the steam is coming out as I'm cutting them? And look, inside is just broccoli and cheesy, yummy gooiness, yumminess. Okay, how about this? We'll count to 20, and then we'll take it out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's check. I'll cut this one for you as well.
I need this one.
Enjoy. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yeah? Can I have some with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'll have this piece. Oh, wow. This turned out really good. The cheese melts and makes these yummy crispies.
Then come in, snatch it up.